In this tutorial, we are building a journey to create HubSpot contacts as per new Salesforce leads. Select Salesforce's trigger. Then, choose New or Update Record Received as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Choose Lead as Object. Now, in steps, we will create a new contact in HubSpot. Click on Simple Action and select HubSpot. Next, add Create Contact as Action. Select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. After this, enter contact details from Salesforce data tree. To get remaining fields, click on Refresh Fields. Add email using Salesforce data tree. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check our output, go to Salesforce. Add a new lead. Fill in the details and click on Save. Once added, go back to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now, go to HubSpot. We can see the new contact is created as per the lead details in Salesforce. This way, we can build an automation journey to create HubSpot contacts as per new Salesforce lead. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.